As Microsoft accelerates its AI strategy, the demand for cloud infrastructure has never been higher. Delivering that infrastructure requires thousands of contracts with suppliers. To accelerate and optimize efforts, Microsoft's Cloud Operations and Innovations team has partnered with Icertis to create a digital, integrated approach to contract creation, review, and execution.
My name is Manoj Kumar Arlagadda. I'm the lead engineering manager for contract lifecycle management and supply chain initiatives under Cloud Operations and Innovations team. If I want to build a data center, how do I do that? Procure the infrastructure for the land and buy the land, look at the sustainability, different aspects of it before you start building. So with all this, this is one of the area where we focus on getting a contract signed.
Prior to deploying Icertis, creating and executing these critical contracts required manual coordination between legal, compliance, and commercial teams within Microsoft.
All this work is under manual approach where the business creates a ticket, works with the multiple teams to get the contract finalized before it creates a PO process. So this is all manual, and the turnaround time for that is very high, and as well as it's more risk prone towards the contract finalization.
Partnering with Icertis, Manoj's team addressed these inefficiencies head-on with a centralized, streamlined approach to 10,000 contracts and counting managed on the platform.
Icertis helped digitizing the contracts and also reduce the turnaround time for the contract lifecycle management for the end users, business, suppliers, and everybody.
With Icertis successfully deployed, Manoj's team turned to Icertis's Application Lifecycle Management, or ALM, capabilities to further extend the value of the solution.
Self-sufficiency is very important. With ALM, you can deploy, validate, and test it and deliver it to production faster than the normal approach that we can go with.
For example, working with Icertis and SAP Ariba, Manoj's team was able to reduce the time it took to send executed contracts in Icertis to Ariba for PO issuing from 2 hours to 15 minutes, helping to accelerate business when Microsoft needs it.
Ariba is the important player for sourcing and buying and invoicing. You are integrating to Icertis where you can have that contract, because the biggest thing is you have to complete that contract, signature part of it. They use that contract to create a PO. Then you can invoice it. So that's the life cycle. That's a core thing, which kind of helps the Microsoft revenue and Microsoft as well as irrespective of the closure of books for that quarter end. You are working on a quarter end where you would like to get that thing done by that date. Business don't want to sit there, wait for the system to reflect, then complete the work. Reduce the amount of idle time that business is spending on the closure of books for that quarter end.
Other deployed enhancements include automated summaries for executives and automated approval paths, AI solutions that point to where Manoj would like to take contract management services in the future.
If I have a 600-page contract, I should be able to look at what are my insights of the contract. This is my start date, this is my supplier, this is my summary of the contract. Those things, they can look at it and they will say, okay, I can be done within 5 minutes.
In this successful journey, Manoj credits a strong working relationship with Icertis as a catalyst for ongoing improvements for his stakeholders.
The working relationship that we have with Icertis is it's very good, and we were able to evolve during last 1.5 years. Once we started with CLM, Icertis product team is always great.